Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung A14 music fail to play tracks error. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and open apps. Now here scroll down and then open Samsung Music. And after that scroll down and go to storage. Now in storage, clear the app data and cache memory of Samsung Music. And after that, go back to your home screen and now open Play Store. Now in Play Store, search Power Ramp Music Player. Now install this app in your mobile to fix your problem.